Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, is more interested in exploring the utility and future possibilities of Cardano, while many other investors skip straight to the bottom line. Hoskinson has always emphasized the fact that Cardano ADA can make one a millionaire and at the same time pose as a life changer. However, is there a fixed amount of ADA that can bring you these astonishing possibilities? Let's get into the video to find out more about this, and as always, be sure to watch the video until the end to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're stuck in a cycle of debt, earning too little to maintain your desired standard of living, or simply want to get a jump on savings for a major financial goal, such as buying a house, you may need to revisit your investment decisions. Owning enough savings, investments, and cash on hand to afford the lifestyle you want for yourself and your family are essential goals for many people. Unfortunately, too many people fall short of financial freedom. Why? Probably their investment portfolios are missing out on the big thing. Charles Hoskinson, a crypto expert, is always controversial in his decisions regarding the blockchain. In his own words, Hoskinson has previously stated, "I am kind of polarizing. People either like me or they hate me. There isn't a lot of people in between." From his research background, Cardano has been in the works since 2015. During this period, many investors and analysts speculated that it would not live to see the launch of its smart contracts. Well, this narrative was disputed as Cardano introduced smart contract capabilities following the launch of the Alonzo fork in 2021. It is also quite interesting that the Cardano's network has attracted more contributors, averaging around 701 GitHub code repository comments monthly, compared to Ethereum's 447 CPM. In a video, Charles Hoskinson emphasized the fact that the community is bigger than what most crypto natives imagine. That's why VCs don't even actually understand that Cardano has a community. They think it's just me behind a microphone, he said. Recently, Cardano's price has been hovering in a somewhat of a suspended animation, and investors are itching to know when an upside will occur. According to the video that Hoskinson made, he had reassured Cardano holders of becoming millionaires soon. However, as it turned out, his sentiment was not exactly stemming from a place of optimism. Seeing various cryptos explode in price regularly, investors have hope that they will see the same happen to ADA tokens that they have been holding. In a video, a user had asked Hoskinson about Cardano's price and was equally specific about how cryptos like Solana have surpassed Cardano in market cap. Hoskinson had shied away from trying to establish a value for Cardano and is adamant that working to drive the price up is not a priority. He believes that the proper way to ultimately establish its worth is by its utility and how much it helps people. Cardano should not rise in value simply because of price pumps or other artificial means. The whole idea of why investors are so hyper-focused on the price seems like a mystery to him. Generally, cryptocurrency has increasingly become a money grab for many investors. These are people who want to see large sums of money being made overnight and want to replicate that in other assets like Cardano. They are ignorant of the big plan for a utility that could dramatically shift and shape the way society operates for years into the future. It is not bizarre for people who have bought something as an investment to be anxious for a positive return. However, if Hoskinson's responses are any indication, then he hopes that Cardano investors should be as excited as he is about the outstanding prospects of the platform and not just store some cash until they have yielded a substantial profit. Charles Hoskinson's preferences are kind of strange, but worthwhile. He would rather have investors hold Cardano for the long haul and discover with him what it can grow to be in the future. Some are excited to jump on board with him, but as long as there is money to be made, they will continue to be short-termers, ready to jump off at the sign of a profit. According to him, Cardano ADA has the potential of changing lives and society, if only investors are ready to hold off for the long term. Cardano and its founder have balls. You need them to survive this cutthroat market. The Cardano community postulates that the price of ADA will one day reach $100, probably in 2030. But to put that in perspective, Bitcoin only has a market cap of $387 billion with a 13-year lifespan. On the other hand, Cardano is a 5-year-old blockchain with a market cap of $15 billion. So is it even possible for ADA to attain a height of $100 in 2030, or should we opt for a more realistic price prediction? Nevertheless, at ADA's current price point, and if you're optimistic about it reaching $100, you would need any amount between $15,000 and $20,000 worth of Cardano to become a millionaire, and get ready to receive life-changing privileges as well. On your path to financial freedom, you have to be careful. Two meme coins have gone viral, which are Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. These are not assets and they have no utility. Social media pump and dumps the price for fun. Yeah, meme coins are cool, but do not bet your life savings on them. They are designed as a joke, not an investment. Both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have zero value right now, but people worship them more than the Marvel comic franchise. But we want to reiterate, be careful with them. You want to secure your financial freedom by investing in Cardano ADA. Cardano has an incredible potential of skyrocketing in price and giving off a life-changing value. While the cryptocurrency market continues to decline, Hoskinson is focused on a significant upgrade, is quite unconcerned, and continues to see a silver lining in the current circumstances. He had defined the upcoming Cardano Vassal hard fork as a bundle of changes relating to the scalability side and also developer experience. Hoskinson voiced confidence in the face of market's present bearish state, adding that bull markets are incredibly irritating because nobody wants to cooperate. There's a lot of poaching going on, as well as unsustainable pay and expectations. According to Hoskinson, integration of projects like ISO 222 on the Open Banking Initiative with crypto space, scalability of protocols, portability, better consumer experience, and the governance side of things are examples of Cardano's improvements, and bear markets are the ideal time to concentrate on working on them. Meanwhile, according to a Twitter survey, Cardano looks to be the most popular cryptocurrency to hold during a bear market. Cardano's founder has also noted an unexpected area of growth on the network, which is the non-fungible token market, claiming that approximately 40% of all the apps that are being deployed are NFT related. There were 3, with a monthly NFT volume of around $270 billion. It amounts to more than $3 billion every year, he said. Moving forward, Cardano's greatest strength might also be its greatest weakness. In contrast to what Hoskinson believes, the first mover advantage does have tremendous upside. The better blockchain does not always win. The one with more users does. This year will make or break Cardano, but we are sure that 2030 will experience no fallouts in price and value. The platform has proven itself as a lone wolf that doesn't need Bitcoin's sloppy seconds, but it does need more institutional support and a capable ecosystem of dApps to become the next Ethereum. For now, Cardano is far from being a surefire $1 million moonshot, yet it's still the same project that most people are secretly banking on to change the world. Overall, Hoskinson saw the positive results from his trip to Washington and dealing with lawmakers, and he admitted that there's still a lot of work to be done, and a lot more shoe polish is required. Nonetheless, he remains optimistic. We will continue as a community to ever get more decentralized and resilient and diverse, and we as a community to innovate. Many of the things we are doing in Cardano are not just about scalability, performance, and quality of code, but have a lot to do with the social elements of cryptocurrency. Charles Hoskinson hopes to continue working and see his platform continue to evolve, with a rapidly expanding ecosystem and the release of the Vassal hard fork just around the corner. Coming a long way, Cardano is slowly living up to his promises. Hoskinson might not be the cup of tea for some crypto enthusiasts, but it is inevitable to credit the 5-year-long evolution that the platform has undergone. Judging by the rate at which innovators are opting for scalable and cost-effective ecosystems, the Cardano blockchain is one to watch in the coming years, especially in 2030. But as always, we'd like you to share your thoughts about this in the comments section below, and make sure you click on the subscribe and bell buttons.